Welcome back to my channel, my loves. So I think I wasn't recording this whole time I was talking, but yeah, I don't know. So I was talking about Tay and Lou. Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the Tay and Lou Bang Bang sauce. I love watching them. I don't know if you guys know who they are, but if you don't, I'm sure you probably do. I will leave their link down below for this sauce. This is my first time trying it. And this crab leg is, ow, it hurts. This is dangerous. Okay, this is my first time cooking it because usually I'm just making sure I'm recording because your girl was not recording a minute ago. Usually my sister makes it for me, so it's too long, I don't know. But who knows? I'm trying to get every piece. Okay. Piece right here. Let's just dip all the way in and put a lot of onions and garlic in it. Let's try this. Really good. Already got stuck in my teeth. So I don't know if you guys know who Tay and Lou are, but they're such a cute couple. I had to get corn too because it's Tay's favorite. Every time she eats it, I want some. Ooh. What the hell is going on out there? It's weird. I don't know what that was. Not that noise, but I think my heater just turned off right now. I'm like, what is that noise? Got some shrimp. I put my dog in the garage because it's supposed to be a freeze tonight. So he's probably freaking out. I don't think I made a thumbnail, you guys. So if you're wondering, this doesn't taste like VISALIA sauce. It's very different. Because hers is very lemony. It's more like a butter. Mmm. It's very different. These things are a biatch to open. It's very enjoyable though. It's something you want to do with somebody. It's like a conversation kind of food. Eat, talk, a bit messy. Doesn't have like a lot of meat. And usually when I eat this, my mom makes it too. And she makes it so bomb. Mmm. That meat. She make it like Asian style. With it's like a really bomb broth. I didn't even tell her to make it one of these days. You eat it like with rice. Yes. I'll shut up. Asian people don't eat it like this. I'm not even gonna try to break that. Dude, I don't know how they eat it and it's like this shit doesn't hurt them. It fucking hurts. I'm complaining this whole time while I'm eating this. Ow, that went down the wrong hole. My husband wants to take the kids to Chuck E. Cheese tomorrow. I was like, yeah, we can go, but I'm not eating their pizza. He's like, no, we'll just go to McDonald's or something. Take the kids out. Don't drop it in there. I like shrimps. They're so much easier to eat. Like, they peel them so quick. Why can't the crab legs come like that? Okay. I'm not even gonna touch that. Prickly. Look how prickly that shit is. Makes you not want to eat it. I think the claw is like the hardest to eat. Sure has meat in it. So do you guys like seafood boil? Let me know in the comments below. I don't know how to hold this because this sucker has some pokey. Has claws. Don't eat me, bitch. I'm not even gonna try anymore. That shit hell hurts. Gonna eat my shrimp. I like this sauce and VISALIA sauce. It's two different kind of sauce. But it's a little similar. I feel like VISALIA sauce has a little bit more seasoning to it. It's so good. I actually really like VISALIA sauce and pasta. The shrimp is so good. This was the biggest shrimp I could find. Yeah, it's supposed to be a freeze tonight, so my dog did not want to come in the garage. He's just like, I want to stay outside. He loves to be outside. But I was like, nope. Can't. Okay. I had a pretty good day today. I put up a video for you guys. It was when I tried the air fryer. I know a lot of people don't care for those videos, but I don't care. Oh, my fucking skin. I want the meat inside. I actually wanted my kids to stay up tonight. I freaking fell asleep on me. I was like, really? Who doesn't love corn? Last one. Let's do this before my camera overheats. And if it does, I'm sorry if I don't have an outro. My face all messy. Oh well. We gonna do this, we gonna do this. So after this, I'm gonna actually watch a movie. Saving Grace or Encounter or something on Pureflix. Ooh. Dude, I legit saved the last one for... Oh no. Best for last. For sure. It's not perfect, but it will do. Last bite. Here we go. Kind of last bite, because you know I'm gonna go in on this. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me moaning and just complaining most of the time because these things freaking hurt. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you love this video. I will link their ingredient or their video down below, so go check it out. Keep staying a love. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!